Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to update passport in Absher after renewal. So let's start with the first step, which is to log in and open passport services. Now, you just have to sign in to absher.sa with your username and password, and then on the individual's dashboard, click on the passport services tile. Next step is choose Update Passport Information. So from the Passport Services menu, just click on the Update Passport Information to open the renewal form. Next is fill in your new passport details. So enter the new passport number, the issue date, expiry date, and place of issue exactly as printed in your passport. And make sure to double check before submitting. Next step is verify with SMS OTP. So Absher sends a 6-digit OTP to your registered Saudi mobile number. So just enter it on the verification screen to confirm the update. Lastly is go ahead and download your PDF confirmation. Now a green passport updated successfully screen appears. So just click on the download PDF receipt and save it for the airline check-in proof. So just a pro tip, email the PDF to yourself. So the airport immigration occasionally asks for it during the first trip on a new passport. So then you will have to present it by the PDF on your phone. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!